Allow me to be very honest. In order to achieve your goals, you do not have to push yourself to the point of fatigue. Are you panting for air, sweating buckets, and waking up with a sore throat for days on end? It is not the only strategy to burn fat or maintain a healthy body after the age of 50. Instead of being punished, your body should be moved more intelligently. And what do you think? Without beating your joints or gasping for oxygen, you can surely burn calories, tighten your muscles, and feel amazing all at the same time. It is a fact that once you reach the age of 50, your body undergoes a number of changes. Your metabolism slows down, your muscles recover more slowly, and your joints require a little bit more attention. However, this does not indicate that fitness is impossible to achieve. Taking advantage of workouts that work with your body rather than against it is, in fact, the ideal moment to consider doing so. Low-impact fat-burning activities are more effective than high-impact routines because they keep your heart rate up, your muscles engaged, and your energy levels high without causing any wear and tear on your body. Just for a moment, try to picture yourself beginning your day with movements that are as fluid as possible. Soft stretches, rhythmic walks, and bodyweight activities that stimulate your core, legs, and arms. You start to feel your muscles contracting, your heart rate begins to increase just a little bit, and a wave of warmth begins to sweep throughout your entire body. There will be no pounding. There is no strain, just motion that is within control and uplifting. The importance of efficiency, comfort, and longevity cannot be overstated when it comes to low-impact workout. Movement of the entire body is the primary focus of this exercise, which includes smooth transitions, light resistance, and consistent tempo. Examples of exercises that can be performed include fast marches in place, side steps with arm swings, twists performed seated or standing to activate your core, and mild squats that strengthen your legs without putting stress on your knees. Include some balance exercises, such as lifting one leg at a time while making sure your abdominal muscles are strong, and finish with some deep, relaxing stretches to increase your flexibility and settle your mind. Every action serves a certain function. You get stronger, more stable, and more confident with each passing minute thanks to your efforts. Despite their mild impact, these exercises nonetheless manage to burn fat. Here's the real kicker. Building lean muscle, which revs up metabolism, and supporting your body's natural rhythm are all benefits of doing these exercises on a regular basis. They also keep your heart rate in the appropriate zone for burning fat. By exercising out, you are not just strengthening your body, but also your resilience. Taking one steady move at a time, you are reversing the progression of time. There is no longer any need to be in pain. There will be no more no pain, no gain. What is the new regulation? To live a stronger life, move wisely. Fitness at the age of 50 is not about hardship, but about sustainability. This is about having energy that lasts throughout the day, having confidence that radiates, and having joints that appreciate you for showing up rather than cursing you for doing so. Now is the time to rewrite the tale you've been telling yourself if you've been feeling disheartened and believing that the only way to make progress is through strenuous workouts. In order to burn fat, you do not require a boot camp. Strive for equilibrium. A movement that not only feels nice but also produces results is what you need. Because fitness is not about keeping up with the 20-somethings. Rather, it is about remaining active, independent, and unstoppable, regardless of your age. Begin right away. Now is the time to walk around, put on some music, and clear some space. In every single instance, 10 minutes of consistent, mild effort is preferable than 1 hour of exhaustion. The body is prepared to go. Waiting for you is your vitality. In addition, this time, it is all about feeling powerful without having to put in any effort. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.